Zombies to, yung sa code. Anong gagawin natin dito? Do you know?
Dead by Daylight. Mag-repair ng mga terminal.
Okay. I-rape mo na yung terminal.
Tumulong ka, uy.
Oh, nahanap ko
Alam
yung
ko
ano.
more than...
Ano yung kalaban natin dito?
Oh shit, run, 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 run.
Eee! Eee! Man, tulungan mo ako. Attack him.
Ah, hell no. Hindi napapatay yung ano, kalaban sa Dead by Daylight.
Wait lang,
Nai-stun mo
ina-activate
kasi
ko
di
to.
mapapatay yun.
I didn't know may QTE dito. I feel like kaya natin to tayong dalawa
The
lang.
fuck, nandito yung Skibidi. Yung Skibidi toilet dito.
Ginagawa ko yung QTE, wait lang. 75% na.
Okay, keep going.
Kaya, ang
Doing
bilis.
the same.
Oh no, I failed.
Ah, I failed.
No. 89% na ako. Nasaan yung ano? Predator. Hindi ba ikaw yan yung Predator, man?
Hindi.
Hindi ka ba Predator?
Ah,
Oh, tapos na. May shotgun ako. I'm helping you. Come on, blood. Stop messing up.
gago. Level 2 na yung Predator.
Keep preparing.
Oh, he is very near.
Don't think about it. See? Break.
Andiyan na, narinig ko yung heartbeat.
I can't hear anything. Where are you going?
Rotating.
May smoke ako kung gusto mo. AI ba yun? O tao?
Yeah, tao yan. Dito ka lang pumunta dito pagka mamaya. Oh shit, I hear
I
him,
see
I
him.
hear him.
Run, si Bian. Nag-stop. Come on.
Yay, gago na dyan!
Run.
Dito. May nakita akong Skibidi toilet kanina.
Oh, may animation. May vaulting animation. Galing.
Dead by Daylight na.
Tara. Oh. May red light.
Oh fuck.
What? Oh. Oh, he's nearby. May shotgun ka. Shotgunin mo.
Bago.
He's
Hindi
here.
mo mapapatay ka. Yan o.
Fucking break. Oh! Man, tumakbo ka lang, man. Huwag ka tumingin sa likod.
For Pakistan. Boy, humiwalay ka sa akin. Hindi tayo makakaano eh. Hindi ako makatakas pag sinusundan mo lang ako.
Got it.
Ayos on me. Never
Hiding.
mind then.
He's an idiot.
Nice
Never
on
mind,
you.
I'm the idiot.
It's on you. I'm activating
Oh,
a
I'm dead.
terminal. Don't go near me. Don't go near me.
I'm dead, so I can't. Ah, he's picking me up. He's going to rape me.
No, he's gonna fuck you.
Why is my
I see you guys.
Why is my heart in my ass?
I fucking see him.
Help me.
I'm activating a terminal.
Oh, he chopped off my head.
The predator is near me.
Come on,
Maybe
blood. Don't
pwede ka
mess up.
ma-revive.
I don't know.
I'm activating a terminal.
Uh,
Help!
hi,
Ah, fuck, I'm all alone.
hi.
This is not good at all.
Yes, it is.
Wait,
What did you mess up?
an exit opened. No, I
Okay, good.
stopped.
Get out, get out, get out.
I'm fucking running. Ah, he fucking sees me.
Don't think about it. Just run. Blood.
Near me.
Nice, nice.
The fuck away from me.
Come on, come on. Exit, exit,
The
exit.
fuck away from me.
Reload, reload. Tago, 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 tago. Oh,
Ah, for fuck.
oh nice,
Yeah,
nice.
bye.
Takbo. Heal, 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 heal.
I can't, I have nothing.
Well, you better get out then.
The predator is near me.
Oh, well, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Come on. Hide, 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 hide.
Nah.
Is near me.
See, you idiot.
Ah,
I told
no.
you to hide. I told you
Hindi
to
na-
hide. I told you to hide.
Hey guys, right behind me.
Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa. What's collapse? Unfailed. Eh di success, diba? Dali. Ako yung predator. Come on. Let's do this.
Ah, di tayo pwede mag-predator gago. Kapag
Bakit?
solo lang.
Ah, okay, tara.
Kapag nakasolo ka lang pwede mag-predator.
Oh, tara, 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 tara. Di ka nawala ng wifi kanina.
Hindi.
Alright. Rapid aid unit. I don't know what that means. Blood. Saan tayo? Dito tayo? Dito tayo kagad oh. Dali. Saan ka?
Terminal agad.
I'm activating a terminal.
Ah, fuck, I bit my deck.
What? Grabe yung bibilis. Stop messing up.
I'm activating a terminal.
Kaya ang aga ko napindot.
Man.
Just keep preparing.
We're all gonna die.
Activating a terminal.
Nice.
Activated.
Alright, come on, blood.
I got it. Bakit niya binibreak?
Oh, skip
Ayan,
it.
mas bibili toilet dito.
I can hear him.
Ah, fuck.
He's here. He's here. He's
Ayun na, ayun na,
here.
ayun na.
Oh, get out the way! Pwede ko siya i-stun. There we go. Come on, blood.
That is too early to stun him.
Yeah, well, we got away. Or you got away. Go! Run for your lives!
The predator is near me.
Run for your lives! Run for your lives!
Gagi ka, sinusundan mo kami.
Oh, never mind. He's blind.
Activating a terminal.
Or he's dumb. I'll keep him away. I'll keep him away.
Eh... Try to finger his ass.
What?
You heard me.
I'm activating a terminal.
Ooh. I don't know how I'm keeping away.
The predator is near me.
Habang papalay ako, papalapit ka sa akin ng boot.
Man, tumatakbo lang ako paikot.
Yeah, just finger his ass.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Ring around
Just
the
work yourself and
rosy.
bundle the balls.
Ring around the rosy. Ano? Ring around the rosy. Ring around the rosy. I'm dead. I'm dead. Nawala po kayo nagagawa kahit isa. All of you are useless.
Paano nag-iwahi-wahi lang rin?
Wow, he is
Fuck.
bad. Oh, never mind. He grabbed me.
I'm activating a terminal. Watch out. Watch out.
Tatawa ka kanina yung sa ano eh.
Watch out.
Man, help me. Help me.
Yung
Help me.
kanina.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
Watch out.
Help me. Help me.
I ain't there.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
All of you are useless.
Activating
Ay,
a terminal.
pwede ako ma-revive.
The predator is near me.
Ah, may dalawang revives ulit eh.
Hindi, gamitin mo.
Why did I spawn near the freaking...
I'm activating a terminal.
Alright, I'm activating a terminal.
Terminal fully activated.
Ah, hindi. Hindi pala per player yan. Para sa lahat pala yan.
I'm activating a terminal. Is near me.
Fucking predator. Sino man sa akin sa
Oh
closet?
no, I failed.
I'm activating a terminal. The predator is near me.
No, bro, he's getting fucked.
I
Ow.
can hear him.
That hurt.
I'm activating a terminal. The predator has
Bro, I ain't missing.
Oh no, mawawala na yung ano. Mawawala na yung revive.
activating a terminal.
Wow. First try ko lang nagawa to man. Ako na
Ow,
number 1.
dead.
Sorry, fair. O, pwede ka pa ma-revive, I think. Ah, never
Someone,
mind.
someone
You're
sure
gonna die.
one hit na lang to eh.
I'm coming to you, blood. Moving in.
Fucking hit him or something. One hit na lang to eh. Never mind, he's healing. Anti na lang, anti na lang. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Ah, I died. Go, go,
Well,
go.
exit? May exit na?
Wala pa, wala pa. Yung secret hatch yan.
Why am I not running?
Tatakbo
I'm
yung
slow.
75.
I'm freaking slow.
I'm activating a terminal.
Hi.
Distract
broke his
Inayos
ankles.
namin yung terminal.
I just broke his ankles. He's bad. He's useless.
Gag. Layo ka pa konti mo.
Activating a terminal.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Skibidi dop dop do. Yes, yes. You lost me?
Pretty sure you did.
I'm activating a terminal.
Wow.
Ante na lang mo. Ante na lang mo.
Nagtatago ako. Nagtatago ako.
Terminal
Got it, I got it.
activated.
Go, go, go. Nigga. Come on, distract that fucker.
Come on. We're
You
all
better
here.
get ready to fight for your life.
Nerd.
50%. $60.
6-7.
Yeah, 70.
Andiyan na siya.
Andiyan na. Come on, 80.
Nice.
Fucking
nice.
stun
He's
him,
stunned.
stun
He's
him.
stunned. He's stunned. Come on. Work faster. Work faster,
90.
you idiot.
Come on. I got it.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Get
Let's
ready.
go.
Nakulot na ako.
Ooh. I got out. Ooh.
Ejaculation successful.
Ooh. Wow, he is bad. He's terrible. Wow. That could have went better,
Kawawa,
but
puta.
pati nasa likod niya ako,
Dalawang beses ko na down.
nagtago ako sa kabila, di niya
Dalawang beses
makita.
ko siya na down bago niya ako mapatay ang puta.
Na-distract siya sa skibidi toilet, yun yung inattack niya, kaya ako nakatakbo eh.
Gago.
Ano, isa pa?
Ngayon napatay niya ako, dalawang beses ko siya na down eh.
Ano, isa pa o ano?
Pwede naman. Kaso kailangan kasi maganda yung kakampihan. Tulad kanina.
Oo nga. Takting yan. Isang generator lang, naka number 1 ako kayo. Hindi mo ba ma-timing?
Ha? Hindi, natatiming ako kasi pagka ano, lumalapit na siya eh. Pagpatapos na.
0% yung generator pero nakaka-catch up ako sa 3 generator.
Paano, hiwa-hiwalay kami.
Tara. That was intense.
It's about to be more intense.
Oh man, alright. I can still hear the heartbeat.
Good luck,
I
mates.
won my last match.
Awesome. Awesome. Let's fight together.
Yung unang game natin, sa unang Predator, nagulat siya.
Oo nga eh.
Nagulat siya, biglang may naglabas ng ano eh, shot.
Oo nga eh, talsik siya eh.
Hindi, layo eh. Gulat siya.
Gulat ka no?
Gulat ka, no? Akala mo, ikaw lang pwede pumatay. Gusto ko magka-bug dun, tapos may mag-drop ng ano, ng minigun.
The heck? Grabe naman bug yun.
Ayos din yung mga kakampi natin. Pumasta agad sila, ina-unlock eh. Tapos pinagpatadtad nila.
Oo nga eh. Lahat kami nandun eh. Sinatgan ko siya una. Ako yung nauna bumaril. Akala ko mamatay ako. Eh, nandyan ako man oh. Man ako yan oh. Man, nakakatch up ako sa'yo man.
Nice. Hindi ka nilalaro eh.
Ginawa ko lang naman yung ano, land sa ano, sa military base. Tapos kill within 60 seconds of landing.
Hindi ka pa ata nagagawa. Oo nga, hindi ka pa nagagawa.
Panood mo yung ano, yung nag-upload yung Homeland Security. Yung ginamit nila yung Pokemon team.
Ay, hindi.
Sayang. When you can still see it. Gusto nga ano eh.
Watching that shit.
Bro, it's on TikTok.
Oo.
Gusto nga ng tao eh, ano sila ng Nintendo eh. Kailangan natin yung compensator tapos level 3 helmet.
Kaya akong parang kilo.
What the heck? I'm in the wall. One kill.
The fuck? Wala pa lang kalaban.
16 enemy. Oh, there you are. What the heck? Who's shooting?
May gaga na nakakaw yung kill ko.
Gago ka din. Nice one.
Gago, naka-shotgun. Yun lang.
Kala mo, ikaw lang pwede mong shotgun ha.
Pero ba't
No, gulat ka no?
tumalon ako dun?
Saan? Oo.
Dun sa bintana. Diyan. Patay na ako.
Pero, get up. Oh, whoops.
Ang bara, hit first. Kaya na, lagpas ng 16 seconds.
I'm stuck. Ah, I'm poor.
Na maliit upang lumagay sa libo-libo ng Buddha. Mula sa iyo ay lalabas sa akin. May pagkagalingan yung lalabas sa Bethlehem Efrata. Lalabas sa akin, sabi ng Panginoon. Ang isa na magpupuno sa Israel. At tinutukoy dito si Kristo.
Uy,
Kaya, yung lalabas na anak ng Diyos na si
nag-tilt yung sensitivity ko.
lalabas mula sa Diyos na Ama. Bakit?
Hello.
Asan ba ang Kristo bago siya nagkatawang tao? Asan ba siya?
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all.
Walang tao nakakita kailanman sa Diyos. Ang tugtog na anak na
I wanna be the very best. Like no one ever was. Tuloy mo.
pala ang tugtog na anak nasa sinapupunan ng
Pokemon, gotta
Ay.
Pokemon.
Nag-skip. Opening pa lang tayo eh.
You know
Chorus
it's
ka
my
na kagad.
destiny. You fucking man, I fuck you. Pokemon.
Hey, free kill. Ay, never mind. Assist pala yun. You know it's my destiny.
This show has been cancelled.
Ay, yung gitna. Attack, you teleported. Eh,
Bahala ka sa akin ako. Loot ako.
ano nga yung event? Bago to? Megatron? Tas Optimus?
Yeah.
Okay. Tas sino yun yung pagbago nun?
Attack on Titan.
Naalala ko kung saan nagsimula yung sa gitna. I think nagsimula yun sa ano, di ba, yung sa tubig tayo.
Basta bagay yung Megatron yung ano yun eh.
Attack on
Attack
Titan.
on Titan. Tapos bago yung Attack on Titan. Camel.
Camel?
Oh, yung desert.
I don't remember that. Well, may recording naman tayo so I can go back.
Camel ba? Hindi ko maalala eh. Ay, hindi. First video ko sa Camel.
Yung ano yun, yung bumalik tayo, yung parang Aladdin.
Na-edited. Yung... Hindi, yung una natin na laro nun, yung ano eh. Aladdin
Ano,
ba yun?
video ko
Alam
yung The
parang mega yun
Comebacks. Yung The Comebacks. Yung Aladdin yun, yung may flying carpet tayo.
I don't remember.
Tapos pagtapos nun yung aquatic na.
Hindi, may mecha pa gago.
Ay, yung ano. Oo, yun. Passive armor. What the heck? Ba't dito nag-equip? Hindi pwede yan, no? I-equip yung guardian saka yung balloon nang sabay.
Bawal na i-mix and match eh. Yung first ano, pwede pa mag-mix and match eh.
Mix and match combo. Ano to, Jollibee?
Yeah, McDo.
McDo pala, sorry. Sorry, my faults.
Bawal mo na then i-pick up yung scan tsaka yung ano, boost at the same time.
Scan and boost? Ba't nag-offline sa number 4? Asan sa number 4?
Ayun, parang yun.
Okay, let me go check up on him. Let me go molest him.
Accurate.
Yo. 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 Yo.
Ako naka 60 second kill ang photo. Paano walang kalaban na bumagsak sa akin?
Ako, tapos ko na yan pero ginawa ko ulit. Just to show my superiority. Ay,
Walang kalaban bumagsak sa akin ng photo.
Pokemon. Garit ka dyan, man.
Tara sa tayo dito.
Alright, may broom ka na. Let's go. Oh, blood, hindi na mahulog.
Mas pa kayo lumiko.
Huwag dahan-dahan ka mag-drive. Hindi ka na mahulog. Man, dahan-dahan nga lang eh. Tayo punta.
May, dalawa ba tayo? Dito, warehouse. Dami-daming loot dito.
Warehouse. Uy. Uy. Narinig mo yun?
They can have him.
Man,
Marked a location.
nag...
Marked a location.
Nag-ano yung barrel ko. Nag-aanik ko pag nagbo-boost ka. Oh? May key ka? Nice. Actually, I don't need anything.
Guns.
MK.
Lots of guns.
Anong bala ng MK?
Oh, give me that shit. Mine. Don't have to ask.
Someone's here. There's a horse. Let's get him. It's far away. Dang it. May bala pa ba dyan ng 5.5? Nice. Meron.
Wala ata pa ito.
Kuha pa ba ako ng gas can?
Ah, yes.
Okay, man. Oh yeah, we need that. Wait lang. May monster truck dun ah.
Yan na lang yung Merados ni Ron. Dalawang gulok lang naman.
Ay. Kala ko apat. Muli.
Ah, no wonder.
Ang tigas ng ano. Ang gulong ng monster truck. Oh my, it didn't click it fast enough. Blood.
Yep. I see.
Blood.
Now I'm fucking shooting them what they want.
I shoot them faster. Ah, never mind, may red zone tayo. Dang it.
Yeah, they finally shoot back.
Mm. I'm about to heal.
That
I'm
one.
about to heal. Time
What
to
the
get
fuck?
out. Time to get out. Time to get out. Time to get out. Time to get out. Thank you, Blood.
Gago sa likod.
Oh, may tao din sa likod. Never mind.
Yes.
Mark.
Ano?
Oh,
Hindi
Oh,
pa
iniwan
namamatay
niya
yung nakasagasa sa'yo. I-plot mo.
headshot.
Ngayon, titignan ko lang na yung nakasagasa sa'yo. Hindi pa sila puli namamatay. Gago, buhay na yung nasa likod.
Ow. What the heck?
Awesome.
Oh, hindi ko matamaan yun. Ang galing ah.
Patay na
There's
ba sila?
ghost.
Hindi pa.
Ghost behind you.
Fucking shut up.
What is that
There we
guy
go.
doing?
Awesome.
He's panicking. Ano, hindi mo to open yung kotse?
Yun ba yun?
Ano ba gusto mo? Ako na mag-open. Ano man?
Dito na ako eh.
Come on. Let's loot them.
Wait, what is down?
Yes. Takting nagpapanik tong mga to. May passive heal dun, oh. Gusto mo?
Yung possible ba? Wala possible na saan.
Oh, patay. Alright, come on, let's go. I have 8 energy drinks.
Subukan ninyong palakihin yan. Subukan nyo lang palakihin yan. Ang pinaka-arbiter dyan, pakukuha po natin ang inyong
Man, ba't ito yung ginawa mo?
Oops, wrong car.
Actually, tanong ko rin ba't ako dyan?
Yeah, that's one of the hate. Sinakyan ko lang kasi nakaupo ka dun eh.
I just realized. Ba't ako nandun?
Sinakyan ko kasi akala ko ayun yung kotse. Nakita ko lang ano eh. Driving.
Sarado mo yung ano, baka may ligaw na bala. Baka may umulan.
notarial register at kapag nakita natin na tumama
Nice one.
ang number, ang daladala ni Contessa, matitiis
May bridge.
subukan po ninyong palawakin yan. Okay, kasi ako rin napapansin ko ito eh. Kasi practice talaga ito. Pagka kasi nag-notaryo,
Yan na ako bumili ng mga gamit.
i-debit of loss. Kapag notaryo ka eh, napapansin ko, wala naman talaga ang ganong umaharap.
May bow and exhaust bow dito. Igas kan? Don't mind if I yes. Wait lang, brother. Huwag muna tayo alis. Ilagay ko lang yung gas can dito. Alright, let's go, blood. Ay, oops.
The fuck? Ano sumabit?
In the back of my car, you died, and I didn't even cry. Siya pala yung ano, yung kumanta sa ano, yung sa Invincible.
Oo, hindi mo lang.
Yung Feel It. Hindi. Yung alam ko lang na music
Sabagay,
niya yung ano
kung
eh.
pinanood yung Invincible.
Hear It Me. Yun lang yung alam ko na music niya.
Pati sa Arcane din. Nasa awards pa nga siya.
So don't be who. Did Mark have an happy ending?
Yes. Yes. Ah, yes.
Ayun.
Bye-bye. Labas mo ulo mo.
Nice. Ayun, dyan sa gilid. Ay, pumasok. Knockdown. Reloading. Oh,
Gago, may lubak.
daming knockdown. Man, baba tayo man. Makisali tayo. Oh. Ayun, sarap po. think nandun.
Tumatakos ah.
Marked a location.
Baka hindi mo alam na ipinagbabawal ng Diyos ang pagbabawa sa nakasulat tungkol sa kung sino o alin ang makikita. Pansinin mo ulit kaibigan ang nakasulat na ang hinihintay na makikita ay dalawa.
I think around
Ano,
here.
footsteps?
Ang dakilang Diyos at ang pangalawa ay ang tagapagligtas.
Wala,
I hear a
negative dito,
witch.
negative. Negative, negative.
Hindi siya ang tinutukoy na dakilang
Namatay na ba yung linayabay natin? Hindi pa.
Yes, patay na,
Ay,
patay
gago,
na.
nandun sila.
I found the scaredy ghost.
Mine's not dead yet.
Well, mine's dead.
ang tagapagligtas dyan kaibigan na siya nga ay si Kristo ay siya rin ang kalulahatian ng Diyos. Uulitin ko kayo.
Man, sa gilid mo.
Ay, go. Saan?
Patay na, patay na. I think, napatay mo yun. Uy, yun.
That guy wasn't facing me.
There's an ambush.
Tinago ko yung baril ko. May puso.
He's healing his friend. Oh,
Gago.
Watch out.
er,
Watch out.
no.
Ah, wow. Sakto lang.
Well, he's dead.
Meron ka. Yan.
I got it. Sorry, blood. I'm getting out of
Sige
here.
lang.
Sorry about that, man. Forgive me, brother.
Oh, gago na exit.
Ay,
Inilike kita na exit.
man. No iniwan.
Yeah, I'm still here. Wala na yung camera.
We are at an open field on the roof. Oh.
Kaya kasing exit button ko walang ano, warning. Straight exit lang.
There's a witch. Never mind, there was a car. Saan yung mga baril? What the heck? Ay, baliw. Binaril yung kotse.
Paliran mo na.
Saan yung mga baril sa amin? I can't see that guy. I have to go down. I'm going down. I hear a witch. Where is that guy? He's been dealt with. Oh man, he left me behind. Well, we better hope this is full of bots. Because there's no way I'm winning this game. Speaking of which, oh nice, may MG3 siya. Who's shooting at me? Oh, I'm gonna die.
Kasi nag-activate yung ghost orb.
Awesome.
Okay. One to go.
Okay, awesome.
We might actually win. Might. Emphasis on the might. This guy's far away. Well, we won. Ako MVP, Panis.
Ah, we won.
Hi, Blood.
Kaya
Sit
mo.
down, Blood. Alright, I gotta put the
No.
statue behind you. Alright, here we go.
You're the best. Victory belongs
Gotta
to
figure
us.
out the camera. Right, is in the way. Sorry, hindi ka na-picture. Plus 40. Ace Dominator. Ilan plus mo?
Kalimutan ko na. Last
Plus
mababa
40.
lang yung top 10 ako.
Plus 40.
Diba?
Nababay na?
Anong babay, no?
Tignan mo oras
Wala
man.
pa. Wala, late ka naman eh. Kaya mo na.
Wala. Unfail na tayo. Ano ba oras pasok mo bukas?
Walang pasok, kago. Ano
Ay, no.
papasokan mo ako?
Ayun naman pala eh. Unfail tayo ngayon. Ay, oops, sorry. 10 kills, 10 kills.
One game, 10 kills.
10 kills, 10 kills.
First case dito mag-start.
Nothing gonna change my love for you.
Pag na nga tayo library. Ang laki ng library. Dito na tayo sa hangar.
Ano man? Ah,
Sa hangar na tayo. Para mas sure na makaka 10 kills.
sure. I'll never ask for more than your love. Pares lang pala tayo 11 kills kanina. Tapos ako pa nag-MVP. Oh no, we're dead. That's the same guys. Same animation. Alright man, let's do this. Kailangan din pala ng SMG kills sa Erangel.
Ayun ako lang nakita.
Dat pala, ang daming opportunity para makakuha ng
Oo nga eh.
makakuha ng ano ng tawag dito.
Putang ina.
P90 Bison. What the heck? How did I die?
Ah, fuck.
What the fuck? Nice.
Ano ka?
Nice one.
Gogo
Baka
to sa recoil.
Kung
Hindi ko
mag-solo ulit
na-expect yun.
ako. Solo ulit ako bukas. You're not winning against me, bro. Never mind, he won against me.
Tang ina.
I might die. Panis. Why? That was
Tangis na mga
stupid.
kill.
That
Ano
was
mga kill,
stupid.
gago?
Ilan kills mo?
4. Hindi mga kill, gago.
I got 2 kills.
Nasa spawn pa lang, patay ako palagi.
Nagka-camp sila eh. How did I die? What the heck?
Oh, shit. Bakit? One hit ako.
Camper ka. Alam mo yun man, yung nag-e-effort ka, tas kinacamp ka lang.
Puta na nakakill ko, gago yun ah.
Nakakill pa ako dun. Ilan na kills mo man? Above you, above you.
Ah, he already went down.
They tell you above you. I got 7 kills, man.
Hindi ako makalabas ng ano natin, hindi ako nadadamage.
Oh no. M16 na ako. This is bad.
Kaya ako rin.
This is terrible.
Kaya, patay ako ng ano.
Okay. I got out.
Saan na siya. Ay, gago.
Okay, Vlad. 10 kills na ako. Ikaw. Ikaw ba? Anong pangarap mo sa buhay?
11. Mabubuhay.
Ow.
Pero pa gago, ang dami nila sa roof nila.
Sayang. O di lang ako napatay. Nasa likod nila ako. Ah, man. Nakapisto na sila
Ay,
eh.
gago. Oh, shit.
Wow,
Bakit
there was a lot of
nakaka-ito?
bullets. Oh, I died.
Ang tangina mo.
Oh, I died.
Gago. Anong klaseng kamalasan yun? Na one hit ako ng pistol. Tapos matamaan ng shotgun.
Oh. It's somehow a close game. Thank you, Blood.
Puta, ninakaw mo yung kill ko.
I said thank you.
Ang bahala ka dyan. Patay mo
Blood, I
yun.
survived. I survived. I survived, so.
And I watched you.
Oh, I died. Oh, nice. Ako pa yung... Nice.
Dami na nakakaw sa akin, no?
Isa lang din ako. 67. 67. Alright. Time to say goodbye.
Ay, 67 ka. Walang 67 na rin si JJ.
Yep. Sige man.
Dati, lakas ng PUBG. Ito mga friend ko lahat. Pero, tataas na. Hindi mo na makaabot sa top 3.
Top 3.
Sa, RP ranking. Sa mga friends.
Ano to? Genjit.